Assalamu alaikum class. Let's start our work with the name of Allah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we will discuss exercise 8.1 question number 2. Question number 2 is draw the graph of the following. First part is x is equal to 2. Here for plotting the graph we need two values, that is of x and y. We have to make ordered pair, and after making the ordered pair we will make a graph. So here x is equal to 2 is there, it means the value of x is constant. We have to take maximum 3 values for plotting the graph. So for the first column x, as the value of x is constant, so in the first row the value of x is 2, second row is also 2, and third row is also 2. For the y column, for making the ordered pair, we will take random values. It's up to us. We want to take negative value, positive value, or 0. So here for the first row, the value of y is 1. For second row, the value of y is 2. And for the third row, the value of y is 3. Now we will make the ordered pairs. In first row, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. So the ordered pair will be 2 and 1. In second row, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 2. So the ordered pair will be 2 and 2. In third row, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So it means the ordered pair will be 2 and 3. Now for the graph, first of all you have to draw horizontal line that will show x-axis and vertical line that will show y-axis, and where these two mutually perpendicular lines are intersecting each other, that is called your origin, and origin is always having the value of x 0 and y is also 0. So on origin place the value of x and y is 0. Now for plotting the graph we have to see the value of x and y. We will first see the column of x. Here the values are till 2, so it means we have to take the values till 2 or more than 2, and the difference of the numbers on x-axis and y-axis must be same. So here the first value is 1, 2 and 3. So here you can see the difference between 0, 1, 2 and 3 is same, that is 1. So on negative axis we will show -1, -2 and -3. For y-axis you have to see the y column. Here the larger number is 3, it means the values are 1, 2 and 3. And for negative y-axis -1, -2 and -3. Now using the ordered pair xy you have to plot the graph. In the first row the ordered pair is 2 and 1. So you have to see in x-axis the value 2 and in y-axis the value 1. So 2 and 1 are intersecting on this point. So this is the ordered pair 2 and 1. Next row is 2 and 2. So here we will see the same x-axis x-axis 2 and y-axis is also 2. So 2 and 2 are intersecting on this point. So we will mention the ordered pair 2 and 2. Next is 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are intersecting on this point. So after making a point, mention the ordered pair 2 and 3, and then you have to join these points. So this is the graph of x equals to 2. Question number 2. Second part, x is equal to -3. Here again x is having a constant number. So first column will have 3 values, -3, -3 and -3. For y column take randomly any value that is positive, negative or 0. First value is 1, second is 2 and third one is 3. Ordered pair of first row is -3 and 1, second row is -3 and 2, and third row is -3 and 3. For making a graph, draw horizontal line for x-axis and vertical line for y-axis. Mark origin point, and on origin point the value of x and y is 0. Now in x column the larger number is -3. So the values are 1, 2 and 3, then -1, -2 and -3. For y-axis the maximum value is 3. For y-axis mention the points 1, 2 and 3, and for negative y-axis -1, -2 and -3. Now for making the ordered pairs we have to see where these points are intersecting. So the first row is -3 and 1. So -3 is the value of negative x-axis and 1 is positive y-axis. So -3 and 1 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair -3 and 1. Second row is having ordered pair -3 and 2. So -3 is on negative x-axis and 2 y-axis is positive. So -3 and 2 are intersecting on these points. So mention the ordered pair -3 and 2. Last row -3 and 3. So -3 is on negative x-axis side and 3 is positive y-axis. So -3 and 3 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair -3 and 3. After plotting these points, join these lines with the help of a straight line. So this is the graph of x is equal to -3. Question number 2, third part. Third part is y is equal to -1. Here the value of y is constant. So first of all we will make a column of y, that is -1, -1 and -1. For x column take random values of your own choice, 1, 2, -2 and 3. So here the ordered pairs will be, first value of x is 1 in first row and y is -1, so ordered pair is 1 and -1. Keep this sequence in your mind that you have to mention the value of x on the first place and the value of y on the second place. In second row the value of x is -2 and the value of y is -1, so the ordered pair is -2 and -1. In third row the value of x is 3 and the value of y is -1, so the ordered pair is 3 and -1. For plotting the graph, draw horizontal line for x-axis and vertical line for y-axis. And for joining the points, you have to mention where two lines are intersecting each other, that is your origin. And on origin, the value of x and y is 0. Here in x column, the maximum number is 3. So the values are 1, 2 and 3 on x-axis. For negative x-axis, -1, -2 and -3. Here you can see the difference of the number is same. Now on y-axis, the value of y is -1. So here first value is 1, 2 and 3. For negative y-axis, -1, -2 and -3. So here you can see the first ordered pair 1 and -1. 1 is positive x-axis value and -1 is the negative y-axis value. So it is intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair 1 and -1. Next ordered pair of second row is -2 and -1. -2 is on negative x-axis side and -1 is on negative y-axis side. So -2 and -1 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair -2 and -1. Last row ordered pair is 3 and -1. 3 is the value of x and that is positive. So we will represent it on positive x-axis and the value of y is negative. So 3 and -1 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair 3 and -1. After mentioning these ordered pairs, join these points with the help of line. So this is the graph of y is equal to -1. Question number 2, part 5, y equals to 0. So here the value of y is constant. So the value of y is 0, 0 and 0. For x value, take random values 1, 2 and -3. We will make an ordered pair. The ordered pairs of first row is 1 and 0. Second row is 2 and 0. Third row is -3 and 0. For the graph, draw x-axis and vertical line for y-axis. Mention origin, that origin has the value 0. Now here the maximum value of x is 3, so the value 1, 2 and 3 on positive x-axis, and -1, -2 and -3 will be on negative x-axis. The value of y is 0, and as I told you that the origin has the value of x and y 0. So here for plotting the graph, we have to see the value of x 1 and y 0. So for making the graph, first of all plot the points of y-axis 1, 2 and 3, -1, -2 and -3. Now 1 and 0 are intersecting on this point, where 1 is representing the value of x of positive x-axis and y is representing 0, and 0 lies on the origin place. So 1 and 0 is the ordered pair. Then 2 and 0 is intersecting on this point, so mention the ordered pair 2 and 0. -3 and 0, -3 is representing negative x-axis value, so -3 and 0 is intersecting on this point, so this is the ordered pair -3 and 0. And after plotting these points, join these points with the help of straight line, and that is the graph of y is equal to 0. Question number 2, part 8. The value of y equals to 3x. Now here y and x both variables are given to us. We have to find out the values. So for that, first of all, draw a column of x, that is 1, 2 and -3. Take random values. Then y column, as y equation is equal to 3x, so we have to replace the value of x in this equation. So first of all, replacing x is equal to 1, as in the first row the value of x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 3x, so 3 into 1 equals to 3. In the second row the value of x is 2, so replacing the value in the equation, it will become 3 into 2 equals to 6, so y value is 6. In third row the value of x is -3, so 3 into -3 is -9, so the value of y is -9. Now we will draw a column of ordered pair. The value of x is 1 and the value of y is 3, so the ordered pair is 1 and 3 in the first row. In second row the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 6, so the ordered pair is 2 and 6. In third row the value of x is -3 and the value of y is -9, so the ordered pair is -3 and -9. Now for making a graph, draw horizontal and vertical line for showing the x-axis and y-axis points. For origin the value is 0. Now here in x column you can see the maximum value is 3. So for plotting the points, we will have 1, 2 and 3 positive x-axis point, and for negative x-axis -1, -2 and -3. Then for y-axis, you can see the numbers are 3, 6 and 9. The maximum number is 9, but there is one more thing, that 3, 6 and 9 are the multiples of 3. And you have to take the same difference of number for y-axis. So here we will take the points 3, 6 and 9. Here you can see in 3, 6 and 9 there is a difference of 3 numbers. So on the negative y-axis, -3, -6 and -9. Now the first ordered pair is 1 and 3. So 1 is on the point of positive x-axis and 3 is on y-axis. So 1 and 3 are intersecting on this point, so the ordered pair will be 1 and 3. Then next point is 2 and 6. 2 is the value of x and 6 is the value of y. So 2 and 6 are intersecting on this point. So mention the ordered pair 2 and 6. Next is -3 and -9. -3 is the value of x and that is on negative x-axis side, and -9 is the value of y, that is also a negative y-axis. So these 2 points are intersecting on this point, -3 and 9. So now after making the points, join these lines, and this is the graph of y is equal to 3x.